in Rivers State, the University of Port Harcourt Teaching Hospital has set up a facility for the management of coronavirus patients in Port Harcourt. Now, this is expected to boost the government's response mechanism amidst fears that number of positive cases in Rivers State is likely to rise. Correspondent Uche Okoro reports.
Once again, the University Teaching Hospital is bracing up to play an active role in combating the outbreak of a global health crisis, the kind of which has not been seen in generations. Its new infectious diseases facility is to do the job of screening, isolation, testing and treatment of persons who may test positive for the coronavirus in Rivers State. It would also serve as an alternative and provide support for the existing one within the hospital and the other two operated by the state in Eleme and Port Harcourt local governments. The Chief Medical Director led a tour of the two-story building, which for now is equipped with 14 beds and 3 ventilators dedicated for coronavirus.
We admit every suspected case into that facility there. Take samples for testing, and those who are positive are also taken to the last floor where they are. The middle floor is for suspected cases. The last floor is for confirmed cases.
In a state with a population of about 5 million people, and if you project, you know that you need to expand access and facilities. So this is what this does, so it complements what is already on ground.
The hospital is optimistic that in just a matter of days, tests for the coronavirus would eventually begin in Rivers State.
We expected that by yesterday we would have done our first testing. I mentioned to us that the equipment is in Port Harcourt. But as I speak to you now, even those that came to install the equipment are also confused on why the equipment is being held somewhere. So we are hoping that the government of the state will help us to get that equipment.
For now, this facility has the capacity to accommodate a maximum of 20 beds at a time. But with further support from the government and the private sector, the hospital's management says there is room for improvement to accommodate many more patients in the event of a major outbreak of the coronavirus in Rivers State. Uche Okoro, TVC News, Port Harcourt.